Thin layer chromatography. State-of-the-art products for TLC and HPTLC from MACHERY-NAGEL. TLC for more than 5 decades. On the left side, you have seen how a dye sample has already been applied to a TLC glass plate and then placed in a TLC developing chamber. It is important to pay attention to the atmosphere in the developing chamber. If reproducible migration distances are required, saturation of the chamber atmosphere with eluent vapor is necessary. Therefore, do not forget to close the developing chamber with the lid so that separation works well. In TLC, a backing material such as glass, polyester, or aluminum is used, which is coated with a thin layer. This thin layer is usually based of silica gel. In order to adhere the silica gel to the backing material, a binder is needed. The composition of the binder is proprietary, but gypsum is often used as a component. Reasons for using TLC. TLC is a fast and cost-saving separation technique for multiple sample application. Developed plate serves as analytical documentation media, and time-consuming sample preparation steps can be omitted. Thin layer chromatography can be used for both qualitative and quantitative analysis. Standard analytical TLC plates typically have adsorbent layers that are nominally between 0.20 and 0.25 mm in thickness. The particle size is about 5 to 17 micron. Preparative TLC is used for purification and isolation of analytes from impurities. Preparative layers greater than 0.5 mm are only available on glass plates. Traditional TLC and HPTLC plates are based on glass backing, for example, SIL-HD and adamant, or nano-SIL-HD and nano-adamant. These glass plates are robust, heat-proof, and chemically resistant to all common mobile phases and visualization reagents. There are polyester foils on the market like our Polygram TLC sheets. They are easy to handle, lightweight, and flexible, and can be cut with scissors. Developed Polygram sheets can also be stored for documentation in laboratory notebooks. One of the most used materials as TLC and HPTLC backing is aluminum foil. The Allogram TLC sheets are easy to handle, lightweight, and flexible, and the high-performance silica on Allogram extra sheets provides outstanding wettability for precise colorization results, even with 100% aqueous detection reagents. Moreover, Allogram extra sheets are easy to cut with scissors. No flaking of silica occurs. Good to know, in addition to the classic TLC, there is also HPTLC. In some applications, the separation can be improved by using HPTLC layers like our nano-SIL-HD or nano-adamant. Among other things, smaller particles of 2 to 10 micron or special surface modifications can achieve better separation results. Our ready-to-use layers for TLC and HPTLC provide comprehensive range of plate sizes, surface chemistries, and backings, pre-coated plates ready for immediate use, homogeneous, smooth, and well-adhering layers, available with UV indicator or non-impregnated, and consistent high quality from batch to batch and from plate to plate. MACHERY-NAGEL TLC for more than 5 decades. Get more information online at www.mn-net.com/TLC. Thanks for watching.